Guys, we got this 2011 Toyota Sienna here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to change your low beam bulbs. We have Auxito LED replacement bulbs here. Notice it does say fog light, but you know what? It works the same because they run the same bulb. Check these out, pretty nice. Aluminum housings on the back, and these are actually heat sinks to keep the heat out, but great performance. As you can see, these are a little bit hazed over, but no problem. Now this van here is very simple to change the lights in, extremely simple. So the low beam bulb is going to be the one with the glass sphere in front of it, and your high beam bulb is on the inside. If you're looking to do the high beam bulb, don't worry, we're going to make another video for that, so make sure to go check that out, and don't forget to subscribe. These are a 65K color brightness, so very white. First thing you're going to want to do here is find the bulb and connector, which is located right here, and you're just going to want to turn that, let's see, it should be counterclockwise, so we want to go this way, and we should be able to just sneak that out. There's 3 tabs that you want to line up, and then if you want, it might be easier just to unplug it first, but it was a little bit tight, but we got it out. You see this little black tab right here? You push down on that, pull the light bulb out, stick the new light bulb in. Let's just try to install this and then plug it in first. Might be a little easier. So we're gonna go in, keep it on a bit of an angle, right? Just how we took it out, and then rotate it clockwise. Should be pretty much vertical. Take our connector, just line that up, push it on, boom, secured into place. All right, we're just gonna shut the lights off and we'll compare side to side to see what you think. Look at that, guys. Super nice and bright. Looks modern as well, like it's a good update. Get rid of the yellowness. Also going to really help in case you have hazed over headlights. It just shines right through it. You're gonna be able to see extra far, extra wide. The lights are gonna last longer, they're brighter, they look better. Why not get them? If you do want some, check the link in the description below and use code TECH28 for 10% off of your purchase order. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.